My topic is co-teaching within the general education classroom. This is a new trend that is starting up between most general education teachers and special education teachers. It's a whole new type of collaboration, which is encouraging the teachers to work together to best create a least restrictive environment for the students with disabilities, while also making certain that all needs are met for all students in the classroom. Starting with the term co-teaching. Co-teaching is identified as two teachers sharing responsibilities and teaching alongside each other within one classroom. This means they will work together to try to create the best methods and practices that would benefit all students of the classroom, both general ed and students with disabilities. This is becoming a lot more common since IDEA came up with least restrictive environments. Thankfully, with this new trend, we're having a lot less students who have to get pulled out of classrooms. That is becoming a huge issue because when the student gets pulled out of a classroom, it is taking time away from them where they could be within the general education classroom, working with that teacher and with their peers. Co-teaching helps offer the students with disabilities the opportunity to be alongside their peers within the general education classroom. As Young said, separation harms both groups by overemphasizing the disability and underemphasizing the degree of variation amongst the students. Using the norm special education pull-out method, a lot of the students are getting pulled away from not only working with their peers, but also their general education teachers. Along those lines, it is also creating a disconnection between the special education teacher and the general education teacher. These are two different people that need to be working together to be able to create the best, most effective program for that student with disabilities. Many general education teachers alone lack the background knowledge and experience of working with students with disabilities. Due to the least restrictive environment these days, it is a lot more common to have students with disabilities involved within most of the classroom curriculum. With the co-teaching method, though, it combines both of the talents of the special education teacher and the general education teacher. Their knowledge will be combined to create the most effective plan for that student, along with his peers in the general education classroom. The teachers will each be able to support each other, giving each other the knowledge that the other might lack, especially when it comes to the student with disabilities. The special education teacher can give a whole new outlook on how best to work with that student and meet their needs, where the general education teacher can have a better outlook on the basic curriculum and how to implant it within their classroom without depriving the others of meeting their needs. All students deserve an opportunity to work within the general education setting. It is up to the teachers to ensure that this opportunity is available for all students by creating an environment where their needs can be met.